Hey guys, what's up? It's Javier Garcia, your local roofer. Let me go ahead and show you what I got going on today. I'm gonna end up removing this roof. See right here, I've already started a little bit. Dun dun dun. I'm gonna do a new saddle around this chimney with a cricket to divert the water to the side, to left and right. I'm going to show you, and then do metal valleys, new pipe flashings, none of this Mickey Mouse stuff, cut corners. So you're going to have all the bells and whistles, new ventilation on this roof as well that it's missing. So it gives you that long lifespan that you want on your shingle. So click on the link below. Let's look at your roof today. Thank you.